Hello everyone, welcome. Just doing another review for you guys. This is Quopi review. First of all, before we start, just a couple of disclaimer here. I'm not trying to sell you and recruit you into Quopi. Keyword not. This is also yes a financial advice because I am actually asking you to stay the heck away from this. This is a complete scam. I'm going to explain why that is. This is a scam. Uh, and no, I do not have financial type this company whatsoever. And our organization will be authorizing a fraud warning into this company here. And we will also try to find these people and we will also forward the information on this website and the people associated to this company here if they are well, anywhere that can be found to law enforcement around the world. If you guys don't know, I am the crypto libertarian, but I am also a member of the Scammer Global and also member of GASA, that is Global Anti-Scam Alliance. We work with law enforcement around the world from Canada, US, and also Europe. So I don't know exactly where they are at. So let's take a look at Quopi. Why that is, it is a scam. Why I believe that this is a scam. So remember from one of my previous video, number one thing I look at is the footnote. We see nothing. There is no financial regulatory registration anywhere in the bottom right here. So that means whatever that they're showing you in the number here, it's not audited. So we know that they're not legit. If they are registered and they're audited, that means all these number in here is legit. Keep that in mind. Then it is legit. That's number one thing that I will see, but it is not because they're not registered anywhere in the world. Okay? So be very careful about that. Number two, I watched a couple of videos already. I watched this guy already. Too bad you cannot hear the audio, but I'm going to explain why I believe this is a scam. So I watched this video already, saw a couple of different ads in here. New York stock bought their trade quote. They say that they're trading on New York Stock Exchange Monday to Friday. Have these kind of results. Remember, they're not audited. They're asking you to put your crypto into this company here, and they're trading what on New York Stock Exchange. There's a big problem with that. So let's just say you put USDT or Bitcoin. You cannot directly trade Bitcoin USDT on New York Stock Exchange just yet. Keyword just yet. It is possible, but not yet. That you can expose to it, but not yet. Okay. So for this company to be able to do that, they need to convert cryptocurrency into US dollar to trade in the US stock exchange, in the New York Stock Exchange. That means after they trade, and if you want to cash out, they got to convert it right back into crypto and send it back to you. Huh? Sorry, run that by me again. So they have to pay someone to convert into cash, into US dollar to trade when they are trading. And to pay you, they have to convert US dollar back into crypto. That's just ridiculous, right? That's absolutely ridiculous. And we've seen a lot of it. That's a big, huge red flag. Why would anybody do that? That is ridiculously dumb. If they're really trading, why not just, I don't know, trade on Binance for crying out loud? That makes a lot more sense. And then here we go. See that say stock trading. They keep saying they're trading. No, it's absolutely ridiculous. There's no way anybody actually would be dumb enough to buy that unless you really don't know how the financial market works. Okay. So next part right there, unfortunately, even including this guy here, I would say that anybody who knows anything about crypto will know that this is garbage. It's right here. So this guy right here already said that, hey, staking. I just put my money stake. They don't know what staking means. Then, if that's the case, you cannot stake trade. It doesn't work that way. I'm gonna explain that in a bit. I'll show you what staking means. It's actually in my course. but I'll give it to you for free this time, right? So stake Quopi bot provide funds or cryptocurrency for the bot to use for trading. Trading, it's not staking. It's two completely different mechanism. Trading is you're trading in different in prices. For example, you have BTC, USDT. Okay? You buy BTC at a lower price at $25,000 and you resell it at $30,000. You can pocket the difference. And you can even, by the way, sell or what we call short sell. Short sell. That's buying that the price is going to go down. Short selling is another technique in trading that we use a lot, but that's not staking. Okay? Keep that in mind. So, what is staking? Right here. I'm going to read this to you. What is staking? All right. Staking serves a similar function to mining in that it's the process by which a network participant gets selected to add the latest batch of transaction to the blockchain and earn some crypto in exchange. Keep that in mind. Okay, that means you're creating new block by staking your cryptocurrency in a proof of stake network. You cannot stake what? Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is a proof of work cryptocurrency. Keep that in mind. I'll repeat that one more time. Bitcoin is proof of work. Ethereum is proof of stake now. Keyword proof of stake now. So for them to say, oh, I'm staking my bot and I'm earning it in trading and trading in New York Stock Exchange, you cannot stake stock. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And then here we go, they're saying daily return. So all they're giving you is a bunch of mumbo jumbo terms, and they don't even know what that means in terms of cryptocurrency. And a lot of these people, they're absolute amateur. They don't know how cryptocurrency works and selling you, hey, we're making 3% a day, 1% a day. But these numbers have never been verified anywhere. They're just showing you a number on a screen. Huge, massive red flag right there. Okay. Next, go to contact us. Do you see address? No, right? So you don't know where they are. You don't know who's behind it because they never reveal who is the development team behind it. So if they decided they're not going to pay you, they rug pull, just like in BitConnect. Same thing. No. So what's going to happen? Bye bye. Your crypto's gone. Bye bye. Your money's gone. Not your key, not your money. That's the reality of cryptocurrency. That's why you don't want to go into these kind of crypto project that claims that they're going to pay you passive return because they'll keep paying you until they don't. And in a scam like that, everybody loses except for people who put the time and effort and a lot of time and effort, by the way, to try to promote these kind of stuff. Right. And final point you also want to take a look at is right here. This time I'm using who is directly, who.is. Did a search, and yes, once again, why am I not surprised? Namecheap domain. 90% of the scams out there, especially crypto scam, like to use Namecheap. Why? It's because it's cheap. That's it. It's like a $5 domain. You buy it for 1 year. That's it. Register January 12th. We don't know when the expiry date is. Namecheap creation, yeah, no expiry date yet. We don't even know where the server. Oh, there's go Iceland. That's it. We just know the server is in Iceland. Probably even a share server. That's it. So they don't even have their own server to keep your fund safe and secure. Wow, how dangerous is this? So this is why I'm saying yes, this is financial advice. Stay the heck away from this. Okay? This is a complete scam. Do not, and I repeat, do not get into something like that. Okay. So that's it for today. Down below, there will be a link into our Facebook page, the Scam Alert Global, on our scam warning. And also, there will be a Udemy course on how to use cryptocurrency safely. So you don't fall to scam like this, then you understand the terminology and everything about cryptocurrency in 101. Crypto 101. So you will have a lot more knowledge than a lot of these fake so-called influencer in cryptocurrency. All right. Take care. God bless. Ciao for now.